Today is the 35th anniversary celebration of the Prince Lot Hula Festival. So for us at Mauna Loa Gardens Foundation, it's a very special event. And to mark that occasion, we honored three of our most revered kupuna, Auntie Pat Namaka Bacon, Auntie Edith Kavelohea Mackenzie, and Kaupena Wong Jr. They received our highest honor, which is the Kukui Oloto Award, named after Prince Lot, the namesake of the festival.
This is one of the few free hula festivals that really emphasizes participation by the community. If you look around at who the vendors are, that's your auntie, that's your uncle. It's Auntie Rachel from Hiley's over there. That's Auntie Miala Bishop, taro farmer extraordinaire. You know, you go walk down over here, you related to somebody. And then we think of why we're here, and we think of the level of hula practitioners that are here, the kumu hula that are here. This is the icing on the cake.
It was the home of Namaka Helu, a very famous chanter during the time of Prince Lot, King Kamehameha V. It was a place where he would come when he was, Prince Lot had his summer home here, so he would often come and stay here at Mauna Loa Gardens. So this has so much history for our people.
Mauna Loa Gardens it's just a beautiful atmosphere. The stage is grass, so that is beautiful. There's been times when we dance on thorns, rocks, and dirt. The Hula Mon is very special. They're in honor of Prince Lot. The atmosphere, the people, you can feel the love of everybody. And it's good because it's not a competition, so you feel really relaxed. And it's just a good environment. Pleasant environment. You know, it's nice to see all the rest of the halau doing the same thing, preserving our culture, preserving the legacy of our ancestors and what they left behind.
The difference between the Prince Lot Hula Festival and other festivals or competitions is that the Prince Lot Festival is a festival. It's non-competitive. It's a free event. As part of the board of directors for the Mauna Loa Foundation, which I am, we try to look at that this is also an educational opportunity that we can share hula, dance, chants, opportunity about Kamananui, the valley itself, and then Prince Lot himself also.
The fact too that we are honoring three different kupuna, Mrs. Bacon, Auntie Edie, and Kaupena, as those of us who are getting up there in age now have this opportunity to not only remember but to thank these people who are a part of our learning. The energy of this starts here. It's from this land. It's not from Germany. It's not from Mexico. It's not from